Hey everyone, I'm Bill from Techy, and I just wanted to give you an update on our newest location in West Palm Beach, Florida. It's opening up within a couple weeks, and I want you guys to understand how easy it is to open up a franchise with Techy. To start a franchise with Techy is 3 very easy steps. First, go to techycompany.com and go to our franchise link. Once you guys are on that link, go to the application, fill out the very easy application. Our development team will reach out to you just to get some basic information to get to know you better. The second step of starting a Techy franchise would be finding your location. The great thing about Techy is we have multiple locations throughout the United States. Also remember, we're partnered with Walmart, so we have a lot of Walmart locations available as well. Then we easily send our build-out team to your location and build it out. The third and final step of owning a Techy franchise is making sure that you guys receive all the support needed and to make sure that you guys are comfortable to make sure that your store is set up and ready to go. Again, I'm Bill from Techy, and I just want to give you guys the opportunity to be a part of the Techy family.